Hello, my Urhobo people. How una day? Yes, I don't come again. Now, una boy take out of Abuja. So today I go to show una how to cook one of the most difficult and most technical soup in the whole wide world. Now, this soup they call Owoh soup. When we say na our Urhobo traditional soup from Delta State. Yeah, so this food they technical where as una go see. I don't already write out everything. So when we say I tell you stay cook this food. But what I want tell una about this soup. This soup they technical and they use a lot of things they cook them. They use palm oil. They use gari. Yes, they use starch they cook this food. And if you not apply all these things well, you feel not get the right exact way to cook this soup and it go come out anyhow. So now I say today make I quickly do this video for all my Urhobo people when be say they don't they expect to cook this food but they're not the feed they cook am. I say yes, this video go help you and it go give on a one-on-one guideline on how to cook this food. So for this food, trust me, as Urhobo boy when I be, they're not they use any oil they cook this food. If you know say you really get mind to cook this food, make you order the Urhobo oil from Warri from Delta State or make you use better oil. Not go use yama oil wey be say when you use the oil the soup not go come out well o. And mind you, when you they put this starch like you are they apply this starch, you go they turn the soup under. You go turn am for under make seed no go dey. And as una see the soup done ready. Now una boy take out for Abuja. Make una not forget to share this video. I love una until I come una way next time.